Hello everybody, this is Jenny from Tuftinglove.com, and today we are going to have a look at how to change the scissors on our NK01 cut pile tufting gun. This is a process you want to go through if your scissors get dull or break for any reason. You got a spare scissor with your tufting gun when you order it in our shop, and we're gonna place these in the gun. So this means we are going to take apart this whole front lower part of the tufting gun. Before you start, you want to unplug your tufting gun. As always, when you work on it with tools, make sure it's unplugged. Let's have a look at the tools. I got a standard screwdriver here. We got an open-ended wrench 8 millimeters that fits on the nuts, and we got the set of Allen wrenches that comes with your tufting gun. What you first want to do is take out all these 4 screws on the head of your tufting gun. Let's do this. So on this side of the tufting gun, you have your scissor adjustment screw and everything attached to these two. So you want to slip out this whole part. You don't even have to take it apart. I usually just put it to the side like that. Now this whole head is loose, and you're able, maybe let's put the scissors in. And now you're able to just slip it off. So we need to be able to pull out this whole sled. So we're going to unscrew this nut so we're able to slip it out. We use our open-ended wrench for this. Take it off and slip it out. And now again you are able to slide this out. We now, make sure you don't lose this one. This belongs to that nut here. Now we have reached the scissor, as you can see here, and you want to unscrew this tiny little screw to change out the scissors. We use our Phillips screwdriver for this. And you can take it out. So we have the 2 scissors here. Mine was still good and I want to know how long it lasts, so I'm gonna put in the same scissor again. Of course you would switch it because there's a reason for you to do this. So you take your new scissors, put it back in place and screw it back in. Tighten down the screw properly so it's all nice and tight. So now we do everything backwards. We slip that one on again, and here it's important. This metal part wants to go in this slit, in this U-shaped part where the scissor sits inside. So you want, can you see it? Yes, I guess. You want to push it to your left side and then slip in the sledge. We don't forget this part that comes off usually. We place the bearing again and tighten the nut. So you can place the gun in the front of your chest. Make sure the foot is the correct way around. And then sometimes the rods have a tiny little bend and this will make them not fit. So I help with the middle Allen wrench and you're able to slip it on, and you will hear and feel when you're good. Next we want to screw in everything here again. we start with the scissor adjustment part. We slip it back in, we screw it in a bit, so it's fixed again. And you now also want to make sure your hanging tag is placed correctly. So now make sure you have every screw as tight as possible. So nothing ever would become loose here, because that's definitely something we don't want to happen. So now your new scissor is in. It runs smooth. So you're good to test your scissors now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.